Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can publish your Wix website into Google, or how you can make your Wix website more visible and easily discover on Google search. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously you're going to want to have your site. I actually already have a site right here, but I'm going to start from scratch just so you got the idea, or just so you know how this works. So I'm going to go ahead and click on create a new site. And the first thing they're going to do is they're going to offer you to create your website with the help of AI. So if you would like that, go ahead and click on Start Chats. But for now, I'm just going to set up my website without AI. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Set Up Without AI. All right, next they're going to ask about what kind of website will you be creating. There are several examples or several suggestions that you can click, but if the website that you're trying to create are not in this suggestion, you can always type out what would you like your websites to be. For now, let's just say that I will want my website to be an online store. And then you can put even more details into your website categories. I'm just going to make it, for example, I want to make a jewelry online store or accessory store. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one, online accessory store. So what it does right here is that it's going to offer you a templates that are going to match with your store categories. If you have, let's say, a bag online store, the templates that are going to offer you later are going to be the one that will be suitable for bag online store. If you're trying to create a bakery, they're going to give you templates for a bakery, etc., etc. You got the idea. I'm going to choose online accessory store for now, and then go ahead and click on next. And then they're going to ask you for some more detail. So the first one is going to be the store name. Let's say I want my store name to be Eyes of the Moon. Then go ahead and click on next, and you can choose whether you've already started selling online or you haven't started anything yet. I'm just going to click on this for now, and then go ahead and click on next. And then you're going to want to choose on what kind of product are you selling, whether it's physical product or dropshipping product, services, digital product, print on demand, etc. Let's say that for now I'm going to choose on physical product, and go ahead and next. And you can also choose on what sales channels do you have, whether it's online store or mobile app, in person or marketplace, and social media. So you can choose either. I'm just going to choose the online store for now, and then you're all set up and you can start going to your dashboard. All right, so this is your dashboard right here. If you would like to, let's say, design your site first, you can always go ahead and click on design site right here on the top right of your screen. And then you can choose whether you want to create everything from scratch or pick a template. I always like to pick a template so that I don't really have to create everything from scratch, because every single template is actually customizable. I'd like to have a starting line, so I'm going to go ahead and go with the templates. And here are the templates that they suggest me to use. So let's say that I would like to use this one, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on view first. And here you can take a look at the website templates first before you actually start to customize it. You can see it on website view, or if you would like to see how your website will looks like on phone view, you can just go ahead and click on this phone symbols right here, and it's going to show you how people are going to take a look at your website through their phone. If you're satisfied with how the templates looks like, go ahead and click on edit this site. All right, so our website is done loading. This is how it looks like for now. It has the home page and it shows a gallery of product that I can sell. And if I would like to add some more sections, I can just go ahead and click on add sections on the left side of my screen right here. I can also add more elements. I can add pages and menu, etc. I can also change the theme if I want to, but we're not going to focus on any of that for now. So let's say that I'm finished editing my store. So I'm going to go ahead and click on publish. And then over here, you're going to get a free domain, or you can also connect your own customized domain if you want to, but I'm just going to go ahead and use the free one for now. And now our site is saved. So I'm going to go ahead and click on done. And once it's done, what we're going to do is actually we're going to go to our dashboard. So go ahead and click on the Wix text on the top left of your screen. It's going to bring you back to your dashboard, and this is the section that we're going to focus on about. So you're going to see a marketing and SEO on the menu that are appearing on the left side of your screen. And what you're going to do is you're going to want to click on the SEO options. And you're going to want to start setting up the SEO, search engine optimizations, and this is going to help people find your websites easier. So all you have to do is you're going to want to finish the setup. Go ahead and click on setup right here, and it's going to give you an instruction on what you should do. So it says that you can start your SEO journey to get found on Google. So what it does is that it's going to help you get a head start with the basic of SEO so people can find this site online. All you have to do is answer 3 questions so that Wix are going to be able to build a personalized checklist for this site. You're going to want to complete all checklist tasks to set up this site for a search result. And then you're going to want to connect to Google and submit your homepage for fast indexing. So go ahead and get started if you're ready. And here they're going to ask you for some questions. So go ahead and fill it in. I'm going to fill mine for now. It's eyes of the moon. Right, then go ahead and click on next. What does this business serve its customer? Going to say it's e-commerce for now. Then you can type in on what kind of keyword. So let's say that I want my keyword to be jewelry. And then I'll accessories and local. Oops. Local brand. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on next. So those are the first 3 questions that you're going to have to answer. And then you're going to want to fill in all of the necessary details like set the homepage title, add homepage description, add text to homepage, allow indexing, etc., etc. And then after you finish inserting all of the details on the SEO setup checklist sections, your Wix website are going to be published to the Google SEO. And that is it. That is how you can publish your Wix website to Google. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.